Hello, how to solve this is x power 3 equals 8. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So start by expressing it here as product of multiples of 2, that is 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 2 power 3. So x power 3 equals 2 power 3. Next step is to move this over here. I have x power 3 minus 2 power 3 equals 0. Now to solve this cubic equation, you need to expand. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And in this case, my a is x and my b is 2. So let me make use of that in order to expand this. So we'll have x minus 2 times x squared plus x times 2 plus 2 power 2. This equals 0. So from here, I have x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So what we need to do is to equate each of these to 0. I have x minus 2 equals 0. I also have this is x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to solve these individual equations. So let's start with this one here. It's a linear equation. I move negative 2 across here. That means my x equals 2. This becomes my x1. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, we need to find the other values of x. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. I can consider using the formula method to solve. And the formula method is we have x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So from here, a equals 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. A equals 2, which is the coefficient of x. And c equals 4, which is the constant here. So, if x equals negative b, that is negative 2, plus or minus. So, this is square root of b squared. That is 2 squared minus 4 times a, that is 4 times 1 times c, that is 4. Divided by 2 times 1, that is 2a. So from here, f x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus 16, divided by 2. So right here, f x equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16, that is negative 12, divided by 2. So I have x equals negative 2 plus or minus, there is minus here, square root of negative 1 times square root of 12, divided by 2. This is I, that is iota. So from here, f x equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 12. That is 4 times 3, divided by 2. So from here, f x equals negative 2 plus or minus I times, this is square root of 4 times square root of 3, divided by 2. So from here, square root of 4 here is 2. F x equals negative 2 plus or minus I times 2 root 3 divided by 2. So right now, 2 eliminates 2 eliminates 2. F x equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So I have two complex values for x. F x2 equals negative 1 plus I times root 3. F x3 equals negative 1 minus I times root 3. These are the two complex values for x. And we have one real value for x, which is x equals 2, which is this particular value here. I can decide to check by verifying. Verify my x equals 2. This is x power 3 equals 8. If I substitute this for x, that means I have 2 power 3 equals 8, meaning 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. And from here, 2 times this for 4 times 2, 8 equals 8. So this shows that the value, which is 2, has satisfied this equation. So ladies and gentlemen, is how you can solve this exponential problem. And I believe you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and see you again in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.